Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. It's crucial to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small components. First, unplug your Vitamix blender from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure there is no power running to the appliance. Next, remove the container from the base. This will give you better access to the internal components. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the blender. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the motor. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Now you should see the clutch assembly. Inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If the clutch appears worn, it's time for a replacement. To remove the old clutch, use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it off. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Before installing the new clutch, it's advisable to clean the internal area of the blender. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure that the new clutch fits properly and functions effectively. Now, take your new clutch and align it with the motor shaft. Press it down firmly until it clicks into place. Ensure it is seated correctly, as this will affect the performance of your blender. At this point, if you feel uncertain about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in ensuring everything is functioning as it should. Once the new clutch is installed, replace the base cover. Align it carefully and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten each screw evenly to ensure a snug fit. After securing the base cover, it's time to reattach the container. Ensure it locks into place properly. Before plugging the blender back in, double-check that all components are secure and that there are no loose wires. If everything looks good, plug the Vitamix back into the mains. To test the new clutch, turn on the blender and run it for a few seconds. Listen for any unusual noises, which could indicate a problem with the installation. If everything sounds normal, congratulations! You've successfully changed the clutch on your Vitamix. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. Finally, if you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Regular maintenance can keep your Vitamix in top condition, so consider scheduling a checkup every few months to avoid future issues. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.